Hello model car fans. Do you like AMXs? I like the two-seat AMXs. Might be a little bit obvious right here, as I've got a 68 right here. There's a 69 and that one's a 70. And really enjoyed building these, and I've got a few more. So I'm really curious about how you would build one and your thoughts on it. I've got a 68. I know I'm going to do a 69 and a 70 drag car, and I've got another 70 to rebuild. This one is resin from Missing Link. I've got another resin one, and I've got another original Johan to restore, and I've got another 68 Johan to restore as well. The 69 is a drag car, and of course I've got another 69. So I got some plans and some ideas. Love to hear your ideas. Until we get to this weekend, I will have some fresh content for you, but I'm going to have some links to the videos of these so you can check them out, as I've already featured these. And you guys, I will see you this weekend.